we will understand about Python variables, the rules to follow, how to create it, and what is allowed and what is not allowed. Let us create a variable ABC is equal to, let's say, 34. Okay, so this is allowed. We have used a lowercase letter at the first character. Now let us use AXY is equal to, let's say, welcome. Fine, this is also allowed, and lowercase letter we can start also. ABC is equal to I. So these variables are allowed. Now we can see, or one more we will print. Now we will declare a variable ABC 1 2 3. We can use numbers also. Let us say 100. Now these 4 variables are allowed variables. We have started with a lowercase letter. In the second case, we have started with a uppercase letter. Underscore is allowed. Then variable with number is also allowed. Now let us say we'll print these values xy underscore abc, then comma abc 1 2 3. These are the variable names we have used. Let us run this code. Fine, all are, we are able to print it. So this way we can declare a variable. What happen if the first case is a character, whether first case is a number? Let us try that. We will see 1 a b b c is equal to, let's say, anything 32. Fine, this will generate error because we cannot declare a variable using a first character a number. So let us see, it gives us error. Now the other condition, similarly, that is while after declaring a variable can contain the underscore, and it can contain a number but not in the first position. We can reassign the variable to a different data type also. Let's change this. I am creating my name, let's say anything you can create. Now let me print my name. Fine, this will remove. Now this is a string data type, so this prints. Now I can change this also. Now same variable I am using now as an integer. I can use this also. Now I can, it will print this thing. So now if you see, even that if you use the type function returns the data type of the variable. I am using that now. Before assigning to an integer, I am using type function, and similarly after assigning it to a integer, again I am using. Now we can see the difference in data types here. The same variable, first it was a string, second was integer. Variables are case sensitive, so we cannot, let us change this variable name a bit. My L underscore name is Raju. Let's say I am using here L. So this will generate error because, let me delete this part. Fine, because this will generate, because the case sensitive, this variable is not same as the second variable. Here I am using L in lowercase, there I am using L in uppercase. So to get the correct result, what I have to do, I have to use the uppercase here. So now this will work. Yeah, fine. We can't use internal words or reserved words as name of the variables. One such word is diff. Let's say we have used this one. Now let me print this. Diff is used to define functions, so it should generate error now for us. Yeah, it will generating error. Similarly, one more reserved word is if. It's used to check the boolean value true or false. Now let us run this. Fine, it is not allowing the internal words. You can get a list of reserved words from the URL at the description and following the link there. The list of reserved words are available. Now this is what is the reserved words. Now we will go for operation within similar variables. Now let us change this to 1 2. Here also let's make it 1 2. We can run this. Fine, so this worked. Now let us add a code here. Now AB12 is equal, let's say 34. Print AB12 plus say 5. Now what will be the output? Output will be 39. Now let us change this to a string now and run this. This will generate error because we cannot add a string and a number. Now to make it again integer, what you will do, we will make it, change it first int. Now this will be a integer now, and then 5 will be added. 34 or 5 will get 39 as output. You can see this. Similarly, let us make this variable as our integer and remove this. We will add a string 5 to this, because imagine this AB12 is a integer now, integer variable. Now this will generate error because this part is, though it's a 5, it's a string now. So let us run this and see this generating error. Now to make a string and add it, now we'll make it use str function, str. Now AB12, the variable is a no more it's a integer variable, it's a string now. So AB12 value is 34 plus 5. So this will not be 39, but it will be 345. Let's see the output. It is 345 because this is a simple string addition. A variable lasts till the execution of the page, and we are not talking about any session variable or cookies, anything. So in another page you can reuse it, or one more variable you have to declare. You can download all the questions available at the end of the page, and the URL is in the description, and try on your own. All solutions are also available.